Horses are out, and so am I on this rainy Sunday, September the 29th. This is the last Sunday of September, actually. And yeah, I wanted to come out and get some fresh air on this Sunday Funday. I'm actually headed down to the local Harley Davidson dealership. I wanted to pick up a hill shifter for my Road Glide CVO. I've gotten so used to, oh, what happened here? Are we going to be able to get through? Let's see. Oh yeah, he's waving us on. The police officer's waving us on. Someone had an unfortunate incident. Oh wow. Yep. I hope they're okay. It was wrapped around the pole pretty good there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, you have to slow down out here, especially on some of these backcountry roads. The humidity is up, and leaves are on the ground, and it's damp out here, so bring that speed down. They must have really been getting it. They wrapped that vehicle around that pole real good. My goodness. Again, I hope everyone that was in that vehicle is okay. But I'm going to ease my way on down here to the Harley dealership, as I was saying, so I can pick up that hill shifter for my Road Glide CVO ST. I've become quite accustomed to using the hill shifter. I have one on my Softail Heritage. I have one on my Road Glide Limited as well, and they really save your toes of your boot. And for me, you know, like I said, I've gotten used to using them. To change gears there, to shift the motorcycle. And when I'm on the Road Glide ST, I kind of forget that I do not have it, and I go to use my heel to shift, and I find myself missing gears, so to speak. That person was right up on the back of me there. Slow down, people, slow down. I kind of wanted to give you an update as well on the, let me adjust this screen because I'm getting a lot of wind noise into my helmet. Let me just bring my visor down a little bit so that's not, so the GoPro is actually not picking that up. But anyway, I want to give an update, even though I'm not out on the 24 Road Glide CVO ST, and my thoughts about it. I actually love the motorcycle. It's like riding a sport bike without being, you know, in a total clamshell. Yeah, so I got the first 1,000 miles done, got the service done on it, and I haven't changed anything major on it besides the peg for the shifter. And again, like I said, I'm actually headed to the dealership to get the heel shifter of it for that motorcycle as well. I was looking for seats for it, a secondary seat. There's nothing wrong with the stock seat that comes with that, but if I decide to take that on a very long trip, I'm talking about, you know, out of state, putting big miles on it, I would probably want to put something on it like the Saddleman's road sofa. Harley Davidson does make a heated sundowner seat for it. I'm not sure about that. I don't know how comfortable that seat would be. If anyone has one, please let me know in the comments. Give me your thoughts on that. But I've really been looking at the road sofas for that. I was in the dealership actually yesterday when I picked up my CVO after it had been serviced, and someone had one, had a road glide there with a Saddleman, and another guy had a street glide there, had a Mustang seat as well, and man, they both look so comfortable. I got to get some feedback from the one guy that actually had the Mustang seat, and he told me he loves it. It's very comfortable, and it actually allowed him to basically put his feet flat on the ground. Again, he said there's nothing wrong with his stock street glide seat, but he wanted to be able to flat foot it. His inseam is I think he said it's less than 30 inches or whatever the inseam is measured in. But anyway, I'm kind of debating which one I should go with. Should I go with a Mustang seat for it, or just go ahead and go with the Saddleman's? Either way, it's going to be a secondary seat. I'm not going to have it on as a primary. And if I do get one, of course I'll ride around enough with it to get it broken in, but I'll go ahead and put the stock CVO seat back on it. You know, if I'm just doing an hour, maybe 2 hour long ride locally here. The windshields as well for the long ride. Clockworks or the Harley Davidson for that model, the 24 model. Now I've seen both, and I don't know, I'm leaning towards the Clockworks. It looks a little more sleeker, has a lot of curvature to it, as you know, for the Clockworks. And I had one on my 21 Road Glide CVO, and it looked good, and it actually provided decent wind protection. Again, I'm trying to make the determination whether to go with the Harley branded or the Clockworks. Let me make this right here. The roads are not that wet. I mean, they're damp. It's sprinkling a little bit. Hopefully the camera is there's not too many drops on the camera. I would imagine that Sunday is football day. You might not see a lot of people out riding, but I might actually stay out for a while because the rain is really not coming down, and there really, as you can see, no leaves here, which is you know, a major concern when it's raining and you're out riding on two wheels. You don't want to hit a patch of leaves. that can spell trouble. But yeah, yesterday was a beautiful day. Oh my gracious, I didn't want to stop riding after I picked up the CVO from the dealership. I spent probably about 2 hours out on it after I picked it up from his first service. And I'm trying to find something I do not like about it, and I just can't. It's such a smooth running motorcycle, you know, and I think Harley Davidson hit that out the park. And also, I didn't realize that they're going to actually, the dealership is actually going to install the piggyback reservoir for the shocks. They're going to install the relocator kit and the my docking hardware on that motorcycle. They advised me that it should have been installed before I purchased the motorcycle, so I didn't think anyone else was going to be out really riding, but someone else was. I am not the only one. So let's go in here and pick up this part. I'm always checking out the used market here, so that's what I'm doing here while I am at the dealership at All American Harley. Got a couple Softail Heritage Softail Classics. What is this here? This is 2019 FX DRS. Okay. 114 inverted front end. That's actually a nice looking motorcycle. A V-Rod. Man, you don't see many of them on the road. It's actually clean. No price on it. Low Rider S in black. 4,189 miles. Somebody dropped a heavy breather on that. And a Vance & Hines Shorty. So that's what, stage 2? Alright, quickly over here to the EV, or what do they call this model here? Alright, live wire. And that was right on top of my tongue, top of my head actually. That's actually not a bad looking motorcycle, I must say. Got your classic 883. And what do we have here? This is a 1200 Sportster. Yep, XL 1200C. Vance & Hines as well. Slash cuts with a heavy breather. Spoke wheels. Oh yeah, another 1200. Spoke wheels as well, but with the black rim. Looks to be stock exhaust on this. Sportster S 1250. How do you take one of these for a ride? People that I've talked to said they're a blast to ride. See what that seat feels like. It's definitely not an all-day seat, I can tell you that. But not a bad looking motorcycle. Not bad at all. Check this out. Harley Davidson branded. Is this the F150 or is this a 250? Let's see. Does it say? I guess it's for sale because there's no tags on it. The mirrors is probably a 250, maybe a 350. The mirrors gives it away. It is actually nice. Oh, here we go on the side. I'm going to find out right now. I'll check these wheels out. My goodness. Fox shocks. I like the exhaust tips. Is that metal? Absolutely. Already has a tonneau cover, and this actually has the Harley Davidson branding within it. So what is this? 2024 Ford F250. Listen to this price, don't fall out. $132,441. Oh wow, I had no clue that they cost that much. Looks good on the inside. Not bad. So if you're a hardcore Harley Davidson enthusiast and this is what you're looking for, it is sitting here on a lot at All American Harley Davidson here in Hughesville, Maryland. Wow. Yeah, I'd love to have it. I don't know, $130 plus $1,000. Alright, it's time to go before it starts pouring down on me. Raining, that is. So basically, I am going to stay out for a while because it's not raining. Well, as soon as I say that, I start picking up some raindrops here on the windscreen. Oh my goodness. They are open today, neon signs. The Bargain Barn. I've actually never been in there, so I'm gonna have to check that out one of these days. This comic book place stays packed. Actually, there are a lot of people, I guess, in the comics, right? So that's cool. They were actually making sure that I was making the right turn. Which is good for me. Did they not harvest their corn? That's wow. So, ooh, there's a big old tree down. Well, they did it on this side, so wow. Alright, that's going to do it for me as far as filming today. I'm going to wrap this video up, but I am going to continue my Sunday ride. And so, thanks for coming along for the ride. Enjoy your Sunday Funday, football Sunday that is. Until next time, see ya.